This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Global Hunter Conference in San Francisco. I'm here with Keith Piggot of the Goldgroup, symbol GGA on the TSX. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. Very nice to be here.
Good to have you. Goldgroup, I think I know what you do, but the audience may need an explanation, so why don't you tell us?
Okay, we are one of the up-and-coming and expect to be one of the leading gold producers in Mexico over the next 2 to 3 years. We're currently in production, and all our projects, 3 projects, are gold. One project produces 25,000 ounces this year, and in 18 months' time we'll have a 100,000 ounce a year project coming on stream, and in 2 years' time, 2.5 years' time, another project coming on stream, 50 to 100,000 ounces. So we expect inside 2.5 years to be producing over 200,000 ounces of gold per annum, which is a considerable increase from now.
That's a lot of money.
Absolutely, that is a lot of money.
$1,600 an ounce as of today.
That's right, $1,600 an ounce. And we believe that the price of gold is going to continue to go up, maybe not in a straight line, but over a period of time to several $1,000s an ounce. And the reason we believe that is because all governments of the world, not just the US government, but all governments of the world are printing money. And that's got to be related into hard commodities going up in price.
You know, your reality check is so right on, because we go to a lot of commodity conferences, and you know, we hear the espousing of how gold is going up and how silver is going to even go up higher than gold, you know, in an abstract way. So are you going to do more exploration? I mean, you know, why not?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're doing is we got $40 million in the bank, and we've got already right now $1 million a month of free cash flow from our producing mine. And we are using that money to expand our ore resources dramatically. So we expect to double and triple over the next period of years our ore resources, our ore reserves in the ground, so that we can produce more gold. That's our business. Our business is to create value for our shareholders and increase the value. We are an undervalued gold company because we're not producing much. We've only been on the market, the TSX main board, for just under a year, and we've only been covered by analysts for the last 3 months. We're covered by Dalman Rose out of New York, Jennings out of Toronto, and we're just shortly to be covered by Canaccord out of Vancouver. So we expect our share price to increase dramatically as we get the coverage out to our shareholders.
Take this right. You're operating like a grown-up, if you know what I mean. You're operating like a major would, you know, except that you're doing your own exploration and you're not looking at buying juniors.
That's absolutely right. We have got fantastic assets. We've got 2 of our assets are world-class assets. We acquired them from major companies, and they're going to be major mines. And that's why we expect to come into a situation where we are a leading gold producer in Mexico.
What is your website?
Our website is a very good website, Goldgroup Mining Inc., and you'll see it straight on the web. And our symbol is GGA on the Toronto main board. We're on the main board of the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's
a good thing that we had this interview, because you've never done this before, have you?
Well, thank you very much. So no, I mean, the fact of the matter is we are really new in the market here, but I've built mines all over the world, from Africa to Australia to Mexico, and I've explored all over the world. I've made some major things in the world, and we've got, the real good thing about Goldgroup is we've got a management team based out of Vancouver, but we've got some fantastic Mexican operators in Mexico. I've lived there for 14 years, and I know that place backwards.
I can tell you do. Ladies and gentlemen, Keith Piggot of the Goldgroup, GGA on the TSX, and that's the main board, folks. Thanks again for coming on to SNN.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Great. Bye.